Once you get all the pieces of your affiliate business into place, then you need to send traffic to a lead magnet page so you can start building a list. A lot of people want you to think getting traffic is some kind of hoodoo voodoo magic, but it's not. It's all about using multiple channels to advertise so that you reach as deeply into your market as possible. So go ahead and put on your advertising hat for a moment, and then we'll go over some of these traffic methods. The first method to bring visitors to your virtual doorstep is to do some guest blogging. This is where you persuade other blog owners to post your content on their popular blogs. Now, you'll see a lot of blogs that actively solicit content, so feel free to follow their submission guidelines carefully and submit articles. But don't let a lack of a welcome mat prevent you from submitting content to a blog owner. You can knock on their virtual door and specifically ask them to post your content on their blog. And why not? They get free content. They'll also get some free traffic if you offer to tell your newsletter readers, your blog visitors, and social media followers about the article. The other important point about guest blogging is to use your byline wisely. Don't use it to just talk about you. Instead, your byline should talk about your readers, specifically their problems and how you can solve them. In other words, your byline should be a short, attention-getting, curiosity-arousing advertisement that gets people clicking through to your lead page. The second way to bring in more traffic is to tap into social media. You can start by setting up profiles on the major social media networks, such as Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. Secondly, you want to encourage your existing blog readers and newsletter subscribers to follow you on social media. Next, drum up some social media followers by doing co-endorsements with other people in your niche. What this means is that you approach other marketers and offer to tell your followers about their Facebook page or other social media if they'll return the favor for you. Yeah, it's the classic, I'll scratch your back if you scratch mine kind of deal. And it's a pretty effective way to get more followers or even drive prospects directly to your lead magnet page. Okay? Next, you want your Facebook or other social media followers to help you get some new followers. And here's how you do this. You do this by posting viral content like memes or cool quotes, and then tell people to like and share the content. And when they do, you're naturally going to build your fan base. Another way to tap into the viral aspect of social media is to specifically bribe people to share your content. Now go ahead and put away your roll of $100 bills because you're not bribing corrupt government officials here. Instead, all you have to do is offer something interesting to your prospects, like maybe a free video or something if they share your link on their Facebook, Twitter, or Google+ accounts. This is super easy to do if you use Social Share Monkey, which is a web app that unlocks a free gift once someone has shared your content. Check the resources section on this website to learn more about this tool. Now, the third way to get more traffic to your lead page is just to buy it. Facebook has a nice paid advertising platform where you can select your demographics so you're pulling a really targeted audience. And Google AdWords is another option. Just be sure to target narrow enough keywords so that you're fairly confident that your visitors are interested in what you're selling. For example, a keyword phrase like tips for losing weight after 40 tells you what the person wants and how old they are. That's good information, and it's probably a good keyword to bid on when you're using pay-per-click marketing to promote weight loss stuff. Finally, you can also purchase banner ads on relevant sites, like forums dedicated to your niche. You might even spend a few dollars testing out big sites like Reddit's advertising platform, because it's a cheap way to get your ad in front of a lot of people. So now let me share a few tips for optimizing your ad campaigns. First thing, you want to start small, especially if you're buying ads. That means get your ad in front of a small audience first. If the ad works, then go ahead and break open your advertising piggy bank and plunk down some more cash on a bigger ad buy. Secondly, be sure to test your ad campaigns. This means tracking your ads and traffic sources to see which ones are the ones that are bringing home the bacon for you. Once you understand what works, you can do more of the same thing, right? And when you know what doesn't work, you can ditch it by the roadside and just drive away. Finally, make affiliate marketing easier on yourself by taking advantage of some of the tools and resources that are available to you. Just a moment ago, I mentioned Social Share Monkey, which will help you kickstart your viral campaigns. You might also use Catch-A-Monkey, which is a web app that redirects your visitors to other pages and offers on your site. And this is a great way to optimize your existing traffic so you can make more money from every prospect who enters your site. You can learn more about these tools, plus get your hands on some other good tools, as well as some advanced training information by checking out the resources section on this website. Go ahead and do that right now because these tools and resources are going to give you a big edge over your affiliate competition.